Hello, in this video we'll be checking out performance of a charger that comes with Motorola Moto G62 5G. And to do this I will connect the charger to GoSun Smart socket, which will tell the exact statistics on this device right here. And now let's plug in the charger. Now wait about the 30 to 40 seconds and we should see the results right here. So I think all of the statistics should be stable now, and you can see them right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.